This is a secret, but I'm sharing it right now with you. Nung maliit pa ako, nasa Masbate ako. And sinabihan ako ni mommy na nakapasok ako sa isang commercial. So it's a TV commercial for a toothpaste. And while I won't share the toothpaste brand, I want to say na hindi yun natuloy. Kasi my sister was sick. And that time, dito lang ako pwede magstay sa Masbate because of some circumstances. And so, syempre, the little kisses was super sad. As in, umiyak ako. Sabi ko, Mami, gusto ko mag-TV commercial. Ako, bida dun eh. Pero, it's not going to happen because life is like that. Hindi pwede yung, ito yung gusto mo, pero may ibang plano si life. So, pero now, it all worked out beautifully. Kasi hindi ko man nakuha yung TV commercial na yun when I was a little kid. Now, all the better, I am a Colgate endorser. So, maybe dreams do come true after all. So, sa lahat ng nanonood, while you're in for a very big surprise later, you have to think about it na, you have to promise me right now, na kahit ano pa yung mangyari, kahit ano pa yung gano'ng kahirap yung nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon, you have to promise right now, everyone na nanonood dito, you have to pinky promise na never ka mag-give up, and that you're going to smile and go for your dreams. Okay? So, in the count of 1 to 3, I'm going to put my pinky here, and you have to do the same. And then you have to promise to go for that dream. Okay? So it's very important you think about the dream para maalala ng puso mo na kahit anong mangyari, maaalala mo yun. Okay? So, 1, 2, put your pinky, and 3. Okay? So right now, I promise, and everybody who's watching this is promising that no matter what, they're going to smile and go for their dreams. Okay, that's it. If you did that, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you for just thinking about your dream and deciding that you're going to fight for it no matter what. So are you ready for my big surprise? Are you ready for my big surprise? Kasi ito guys, pag nalaman nyo yung surprise na to, this could possibly change your life. This is so important. So you're going to have to listen to me very clearly. So I said na somehow life worked out for me. Kasi, for example, Colgate, like I said, I'm now an endorser of Colgate. And it's such a dream come true. Pero you know what? Colgate didn't only make my dream come true. Kasi ngayong gabi, i-announce ko sa inyo ang isang ginawa ng Colgate na talagang magpapasaya sa lahat ng tao na nanonood dito. Okay? So, are you ready? Okay. So, like I said, merong reason kung bakit andito to ngayon. Okay, wait, excuse me, pocket first aid. The struggles of online, of IG Live. Anyways, okay, so sa lahat ng viewers ngayon, you're very lucky right now. Nagising kayo at this moment. Kasi I'm about to announce a very important surprise from Colgate. And that is their Smile and Go for Your Dreams promo. Okay, so Smile and Go for Your Dreams promo is going to give 3 people 100,000 pesos. And not only that, kung hindi kayo manalo ng 100,000 pesos, pwede kayong manalo ng 5,000 pesos or 1,000 pesos or 50 pesos. As in, sobrang daming pwede manalo nito. So guys, all you have to do is you have to buy these products. So that is Colgate Fresh Confidence Extra Fresh Toothpaste. And this is a limited edition. So, ngayon, kailangan nyo to bilhin sa lahat ng stores nationwide. So, available na to sa leading stores nationwide. So, sa nearest supermarket, or if you don't wanna go out kasi may COVID, pwede pa rin yun. So, pwede kang bumili sa Lazada or sa Shopee. Okay? And you can win. I'm about to show you how, pero I'm just repeat na you can win. At tatlo sa inyo ang pwede manalo ng 100,000 pesos and marami pang iba na prizes. Okay? So, isn't that great? I mean, it's so important itong 100,000 pesos na to for some of you guys. So, you have to fight for your dream by joining this contest. So, all you have to do is you have to buy these products. This one Actually, sobrang cute nito. I mean, kahit walang promo, bibili ako nito. Kasi tingnan mo naman ang cute. Tapos may nakalagay pang, You're awesome. Tapos yung isa naman may nakalagay na, laban lang. Na laban lang. So anyways, you have to buy these products po. And what you have to do, guys, is you have to open your camera. So ito yung cellphone ng mommy ko. You have to open your camera. Okay. And you have to, kailangan yung itapat yung camera nyo sa QR code. The QR code is here. That's the QR code. So you have to make tapat the camera sa QR code. Okay, so that's all you have to do to win 100,000 pesos. So this is a raffle. And tatapat nyo sa camera nyo yung QR code. And then, pupunta yun sa messenger ng Colgate. So, I will demonstrate that for you right now. Remember, this is important for you and for your dreams because this is 100,000 pesos. This is so important. So, okay, I'm going to demonstrate that for you. Meron na ako ng Colgate. So, inopen ko yung camera. Itatapat ko yung camera ng cellphone ko sa QR code. Ang cute. Ay, okay. Okay. So, after ng pagtatapat ko sa QR code, pupunta siya sa messenger ng Colgate. Okay, so if you don't want to do the QR code, you can also go to the messenger of Colgate and then doon na yung mag-chat na sila sa inyo kung paano yung promo na yon. But it's so important to join because this is 100,000 pesos. And okay, so if ito yung bibilhin nyo, isang meron ditong nakalagay na number, so digits. Yung digits dito is yun yung i-input mo sa messenger ng Colgate. Okay? So, this one there, yan yung number. May number dyan. Pero, it's very important for you to know na kung gusto nyo mag-join ng maraming beses, for example, kung gusto mong bumili ng 1,000 na Colgate, it's very important na ito yung bibilhin mo na product. Okay? So, this product is important. Ito yung dapat mo bilhin. And you can join a couple of times if ito yung product na bibilhin mo. Okay? So, that's all that I have to say. And I hope you guys join because 100,000 is big. If you don't want to have this 100,000 pesos, you can share this to someone that you love and it will make a big change in their lives. And so anyways, I'll repeat. All you have to do is that you have to buy these products. Meron din, so ang kailangan yung bilhin is ito. Colgate Extra Fresh Confidence Toothpaste, or you have to buy this Colgate Plaques, and you have to buy toothpaste. Okay, toothpaste and plaques, and then you can also buy the toothbrush. Okay, so by the way, guys, i-open ko to para sa inyo kasi this is very important para malaman nyo yung ang bango ng Colgate. Para malaman nyo yung, excuse me. Para malaman nyo yung code ng toothpaste, this is what you have to do. So you have to open this box, and that's where you can see the code. Okay, so that's what you're going to input in the messenger. Okay? I just want to wish you all good luck for this promo, and thank you so much. Thank you for watching my live, and I hope you will have a great time this Christmas. And I hope napasaya ko kayo sa surprise na to with Colgate. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa Colgate because guys, 3 tao ang mananalo ng 100,000 pesos and 2,000 pesos and marami pang ibang prizes. So this is very important. That's so sweet of them kasi si Colgate, they're all about helping you go for your dreams. That's why sa kanilang toothpaste, biruin mo pagising mo, makikita mo yung toothbrush mo, laban lang yung nakalagay. So, yeah, I want to thank Colgate for this important experience for me. I'm so glad to be part of this na 3 tao ang mananalo ng 100,000 pesos just by buying these products and by doing the QR code and going to Colgate Messenger. So, I want to thank you all for coming, and things may be hard now, but it's not going to last forever. There's always sunshine after a rainy day. And I want to say thank you pala to Kissables for everything. Thank you. And guys, no matter what happens, you're always in my heart. And I love you very much. And yun lang. I'm so thankful for everything. And Oh, iyak na ako. So that's all. And so thank you for staying, and I love you always. Oh, hi wonderful Jane27. We love you daw, sabi niya. Oh, thank you. And I hope you guys are happy. I mean, I don't hope that you guys are happy kasi minsan malungkot yung ibang tao. Pero sana you will find the courage that no matter what you are feeling, that doesn't define you. Okay? That's just an emotion. Kasi emotions come and go. What's important is who you are. Okay? So, don't forget, smile, and go for your dreams. Okay? So, lahat ng nag-promise kanina, we're going to have to smile and go for our dreams and join the Colgate promo. Okay? Thank you so much, and congrats in advance sa mananalo ng 100,000 pesos. And I love you guys very much sa mga supporters ko. Okay, bye-bye!